Hello, Ermi. Ermi is here.
Hello,
Welcome.
Yidu. How are you? Thank you,
How
really.
are you? How you doing? Fine?
I'm doing good, and you?
Fine, fine. I'm just fine. Thanks to God. And
Yeah.
say, Bray,
Hear
maybe,
me, I also welcome and thank
Thank
you
you,
for your
thank you,
introduction.
thank you, Brian. I
exactly.
was hearing you actually. Yeah. I
Okay.
like your
Mm,
discussion, especially like when you
mm,
are
mm,
MA student. There are a lot of things that are expected
mm.
from you. So
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
know, maybe
Mm,
like
mm, mm, exactly.
through you can send me like. If I'm not
Mm,
following you, Branu, I don't know. I will check it.
mm.
Yeah.
But
All
I,
right.
I like doing
You know,
research, so that's why I was requesting you to different things.
mm, mm, mm.
Okay.
All right.
So the points that you raised was good, really. So
Are you
keep doing the comparative
graduating?
kinds of researches are, very
Mm.
Yeah.
important research
Exactly.
type. So
Exactly.
Okay.
you are comparing two different sectors, private and public.
Yeah.
So
Mm,
it needs,
mm, mm,
a kind of, there is
mm,
some findings that you are looking for. So
mm.
keep doing.
Exactly.
Research needs time. Read
Mm,
different
Thank
articles
you,
so
Amy.
they
What
can
about
help
my
you well.
technique?
mm,
Yeah, the techniques are
mm,
good, but
mm. Exactly.
I prefer like if you make it questionnaire. So questionnaire is, the
Mm,
maybe since you are attending
mm,
EDPM, yeah, Educational
Yeah.
Planning and Management. Yeah,
Yeah.
EDPM, you are doing on the
mm,
administration
mm,
part, how they are
Yeah.
administrating
mm,
and in a private and also the controlling method that you are using. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
mm,
yeah, questionnaire is better because you need to interview also the principal, the unit leader, teachers, and also students with
Yeah.
different questions. So,
Yeah.
it's better to, to,
mm,
to distribute also questionnaire. Anyways, if I get the maybe your what it is proposal, I can suggest you more
mm,
because I like
Yeah.
doing
Thank you.
research.
mm,
Thank you.
mm. Ah,
Anyways, yeah, you
this is
can
very
contact
nice.
me through your message.
Thank you,
And how's
Emily.
life?
Mm, mm.
Thank you,
Well,
really.
well.
You're welcome. You're
Yeah,
welcome.
Thank
good.
you.
Um,
Uh,
so
Talk with
the network is
good.
not.
Yidu. You introduce yourself from where the other?
Yeah, just tell us, Ermi, what do you do, and you tell me that you are a worker, so what do you work, and blah blah things. Introduce for us, please.
Yeah, actually, I'm working my own work, like kind of
Business.
private,
Mm.
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
business.
Mm,
But I attended my first degree in Addis Ababa University, economics,
mm, mm,
and
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
so I know when you raised about the
That's
instructors,
nice.
the Addis Ababa University instructors are so
Mm,
rigid. They
mm,
are
mm,
the same problem was also when I was attending. There was the same problem.
mm.
So
Ah, yeah,
actually,
it's
they
really
think
right.
in a different way. So we appreciate them. They are good at teaching. They are good at doing different things, but they are so arrogant, and they expect
Okay, keep
themselves
going.
on another,
Mm,
Mars or another place on
mm,
the planet. So,
mm,
anyways,
mm.
we
Yeah, yeah,
succeed,
yeah,
and
come on, yeah. That is a
we
very
succeed. Yeah,
excellent.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
maybe
That is
like
what
what
we need. We don't need to.
yeah, they are so
We don't
such
need to
person.
just fight with them.
Yeah,
We
it's
need
not
to
good to
just
give
get
them shit.
our degrees. Get
Yeah. So
ah,
like
exactly.
when we
Yeah,
come
it
back to
happened all.
the
All.
mm,
By the way, mm, mm,
mm, there are people who was writing, maybe Meron, if she is around, it's better if she joins and also say something. She was writing different comments I have seen,
all
but
right.
now it
What,
is
what?
removed. I think uh, she was saying like
Mm,
negative
yeah.
words, but it is better,
Mm.
we need to like talk to each other. There is one means that
Ah,
we can develop. I told
Yeah,
you
I
yesterday.
just left.
So
Yeah,
yeah, she can come and also communicate,
exactly.
and
Yeah,
we can improve. You know, there in like when we go home, you talk
yeah.
with your mother tongue, with your parents, or like
Mm,
maybe with your community, the same language that you are using. So,
exactly.
but when there is such platform which is
Exactly.
helpful for others, like to develop their speaking skill, so it's better to join and also
Mm-hmm.
like try to improve,
Yeah,
because languages,
yes.
it is only means of communication. It's not like something
Exactly.
unique. It is only for
Yeah,
communication, to
exactly.
communicate, like to
Mm,
exchange
definitely.
ideas, to yeah, to
Mm, mm,
buy
mm,
and sell.
mm,
Yeah, language is for that. So
mm, mm. Yeah,
no one can be
yeah.
proud of
Just keep
his
communicate.
the language. Yeah. So as much as possible, others, you need to
Exactly. This
like
is what I'm
join
saying.
us and yeah, come and let us say something. Let us at least, tell us,
Mm,
our
mm,
background,
mm,
and
mm.
like being
Yeah,
family here
I
on
told you
this
this.
platform. Yeah.
Mm,
And, we maybe like, we don't know in
mm,
the future,
mm.
this platform can create a lot of things. So once you are a family, like you can
Exactly. Yeah.
be like in a good position together.
Mm,
We don't know.
mm.
So others, you can join us.
Exactly. Yeah.
Just
Who knows? Who
you
knows?
can copy link, and also like
Mm.
others will see this one and join us. So try to do that one also. Like
Yeah, I don't know actually. Mm.
uh, uh, yeah. So brave,
Yeah.
be
As a family,
courage.
I have no such
Mm,
an experience with them.
mm.
Mm.
So
That's
Branu,
why we have to make. Bray, hello, Bray.
Yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
he's
Yes,
hearing me.
Bray.
yeah,
Yeah. So
yeah.
keep doing,
Mm.
okay. Keep doing. So be strong. So
Thank
your
you.
research, it doesn't need, sleeping. At least
Yeah,
you
yeah,
need to decrease the time that you are sleeping. So
yeah.
most of the time should
Yeah,
be like
because
invested on your research. So
Yeah.
listen,
yeah,
exactly.
keep doing, really keep doing. So that's good work. Really,
Mm.
Thank you so
independence,
much.
Mm.
a very
Mm.
important
Mm.
subject also. So keep
Yeah,
doing. You will be a demonstration of, we
Mm.
don't know. In
Mm.
the future, you might be the one who will lead the Ministry of Education
Who knows?
and
Yeah,
change things.
yeah.
Who knows? So be
exactly.
strong and keep doing.
Yeah.
Exactly. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, bro.
It is a good
You're
chance for
welcome.
me,
Yeah.
by the way. I
Yeah.
joined
Yeah. Please
just
tap
like
tap and
teacher Hermes
Mm.
and Yidu also. I got different
yeah.
fruitful ideas from both of you. Thank you so much. I really.
Mm.
You are welcome,
We
really.
also thank you so much. Great.
And Hermes,
And
don't
we
leave
get
this
also
program.
some very good
Please,
info.
as much as possible,
Mm.
come back and we talk together.
I will do. I
Yeah,
will do, bro.
Elmi is also family.
Yeah. Yeah. I will follow you
Mm.
on this
Mm.
TikTok also. So
Yeah.
then we'll
Mm.
have maybe like the time together. We'll have a time together.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. Keep doing,
Mm.
Yidu. Have a
Okay.
nice time. Yo,
All
I don't
right.
have something to
Yeah,
do
thank you
now.
so much.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay.
You're
you.
Okay.
welcome.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
also
Okay.
say thank
Thank you.
you, both of you, Yidu and Hermes. Bye bye.
Okay, Blake, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming, both of you. I'm really happy to meet you again and come another day and practice their Yiddish family. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Ermi and Bray.
Thank you.
This is how we, develop our English, sharing and experience, discussing each other's and one to another. We learn a lot of things. So this is what I need, what I want, and what they want as well. So the others,
Thank you.
I don't
Bye
know,
bye, Hermes.
maybe. All right, are you there, Bray?
Yeah. Uh, for today,
Okay.
it's enough for
All
both of
right,
us.
thank you so much.
I thank you, Yidu.
All right, and I also thank you so much, Bray, to join this live and to talk to me with me,
Yeah,
and I really appreciate that. And we'll keep doing this and
thank you,
day to day, actually.
thank you, thank you. Bye bye.
All right, see you tomorrow. Bye bye, Bray.